Hey everybody. So the Mudbug's getting a little bit of a seat overhaul. It's something we've wanted to do for a while. As you can see, everything is basically, black and yellow, but then you come to the original seats, and these are the stock seats that came with the Jeep in 2008, or what is a 2008 JK, and they're gray, and we don't like it. There's really not too much wrong with them. They got some stains on them, and we do off-road, and we just wanted to do a little bit of an upgrade. Here's the back. It's just really the only thing left that simply doesn't match the Jeep at all. Okay, so I was really pleasantly surprised when we got it. They come in a bag, and it's really pretty nice. It's from Florich. We'll put a link down below so you can follow it. So there it is. There's the seat covers. They're really nice. They're pretty thick material. I mean, they're heavy, which, man, I mean, I'm happy with that. Now, the only thing is we don't have a back seat, so the back seat's not going to be used in our application. Okay, so these are a leather type material, and manufacturer says that they are waterproof and they can be wiped down. I can definitely see that just feeling it. Just initially, the construction seems really nice. First, we're going to take these strap chucks, is what they're called. I pre-did one, and we put them onto the elastic bands. This is what basically holds the seat on, or seat cover on. There you go, just like that. Do that to all of your elastic bands. All right, then we got to take the headrest off. Ours, you have to push these little buttons. There we go. Uh-oh. I gotta lean the seat back. There we go. Then you gotta push them little chucks through to the back. There we go. All right, now you gotta get the holes matched up for your headrest. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna push it underneath there, because it will go underneath those inserts. Our dog's going crazy. There we go. And then you can Velcro it. Just gotta work it a little bit. It'll go. Try to get the little ripples out of it there. There we go. All right, now we're going to put the headrest on. There you go. Okay, the cover is pretty similar to the back. You got your chucks that you're going to push through the bottom of the seat, but the front ones get this little clip, and this is going to hook onto the wire of the underside of the seat. So you're just going to work those on there, just like that. we go. And then we just work it on like we did the other one. Now these are going to go under the seat and buckle underneath. So for right now, we're not going to worry about that. We're going to get these chucks pushed through like we did before. Now I'll have to go through the back to pull them through. There we go. All right, let me go to the back and pull those through. So when you get your chucks all done, this is basically what it's going to look like back here. And then your flaps cover them. All right. Work it around that seat belt. Okay, so for the clips under the seat, hopefully you can see them. There's one of the clips there, and then the other two, I just clipped to a, actually it's the frame itself, and that holds it, pulls the front and the sides in. All right, everybody, so that was a 20-minute transformation from this to this.